Hello, good day, my dear students, and welcome to Alnur Virtual Learning. I'm Mr. Calvin, and welcome back to our computer class. We are now in Chapter 5, Lesson 6. It's about the variables. This lesson can be found in your textbook, page 78. And here are the objectives of our today's lesson. The objectives are: first, to recognize the definition of a variable. The second one is to identify the use of the variable. And here are the materials needed: your right-click book, your pen, your computer desktop or laptop with the Scratch application. Now, let's talk about the variables. What is a variable? A variable is compared to a box that keeps the information used by the program. The content of the variable may vary throughout the program. For example, the score of a game is stored in a variable and varies throughout the game. Now, I want you to open your Scratch application and open the Labyrinth game from the previous lesson, and we're going to add a chronometer. By the way, what is a chronometer? A chronometer keeps track of the total time each player takes for their own moves. So here are the following steps to follow. First, in the category data, click on Make a Variable, just like what you see on the screen. Step 2, name the new variable chronometer, then click on OK. Step 3, look at the set of blocks corresponding to the new variable. Step 4, to count the seconds, we are going to build these scripts like the initial value of the variable will be set to 0. We are going to set chronometer to 0, then add 1 to the variable after each second. So, in wait, we have to type in 1 second, then change chronometer by 1. And of course, to make the game more professional, create the variable score, then build this script. So for algorithm, when I click on the flag, the code will be when flag is clicked. Set the score for 100, set the score to 100. Repeat indefinitely, the code will be forever. If the color black is touched, the code is if touching color black, then go to the initial position. The code is go to X, type in negative 178, Y negative 113. Then add negative 5 to the score. The code is change score by negative 5. And here's the example of the Labyrinth game from the previous lesson. And in here, I added the chronometer. So to check if it works, click when flag is clicked, then set chronometer to 0, just like what you see on the screen. Then, start playing the Labyrinth game using the 4 direction keys on your keyboard. So we have the right arrow, left arrow, up arrow, and the down arrow keys. Okay, so after playing this game using the 4 direction arrow keys, let's find out what will be the chronometer. So in here, in my case, I finished the game in 15 seconds, but I'm pretty sure if you will try it by yourself, then you can finish it in just a few seconds. Okay, before I end, let me just leave you the quote of the day, which says, if you cannot do great things, do small things in a great way. That would be all. Thank you and have a great day.